A solid resume will easily get you a job interview and possibly a higher paying professional opportunity. This is the video where I share clear resume tips to help you write your own perfect resume. For those who tuned in for the first time, I'm Marat from EMMOTION, myemotion.com, human resources and recruitment agency. Look me up on LinkedIn. Over the years, I've reviewed thousands of CVs, and I can guarantee you that a strong and an eye-catching resume means so much more when it comes to attracting your dream job and building a career you want. Before we proceed further, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel below and hitting the little bell so you won't miss out on any content to continue your professional and personal growth. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I will share a few clear resume formats which you could use as an inspiration to tailor your own resume. We've already established that your resume needs to be eye-catching and professional. Keep in mind that on average, recruiters and hiring managers tend to spend less than 10 seconds while reviewing a CV. Let's continue to the first tip. Select the right CV format and make it look good. The effective resume is consistent, clear, and easy to read. Avoid tiny fonts, sudden font and format variations. It's always better to stick to the same font and format while building your resume. Choose any font which is easy on the eye, like Calibri or Garamond, just to mention a few. Unprofessional resume, full of grammar mistakes, confusing and vague information, will make you look unprofessional as a job seeker. Your resume will easily get ignored among hundreds of CVs sent per each position. Tip number 2, don't make your resume longer than 2 pages. According to research, the 3+ pages long resumes are more likely to get ignored. The longer your resume is, the less time there is to see a possible fit. According to research, the 3+ pages long resumes are most likely to get ignored. Entry-level candidates stand their best chance with 1-page resume. Experienced candidates do their best with 2 pages long resumes. In fact, they are most likely to get hired with 2 pages long resume over the experienced candidates with a similar 1-page long resume. Some might think, how would you fit and describe the experience you had 20-25 years ago? The solution is easy. Don't describe it. Unless it's extremely relevant to the role you are applying, details from over 15 years ago don't need to be on your CV. Identify accomplishments and not just job descriptions. The resume isn't just a summary of your work experience. It is in fact a marketing tool to market your individual brand, which tells your professional story in the best possible way. Focus on what you did on your job, not on what your job was. There is a difference. Include a line or 2 of the job description first, then list your accomplishments. Think about praise you've received, promotions you've been given, or any other special responsibilities you've handled. Focus on results and include values. Starting sentence with action verbs will make your resume more dynamic. For example, increased sales by 20%. Implemented a new system of filing. Improved office efficiency by 15%. Or saved the company 10,000 euros by improving efficiency. It reads better than their passive or longer equivalents. Include a career summary. A career summary is a place to showcase how unique you are as a candidate. What combination of skills and experiences makes you an asset? Grab a hiring manager's attention right from the beginning. Don't use an objective statement like seeking a certain position or interested in a certain challenge. That's not telling anything at all. The quick summary examples could be the following. With 15 years of financial planning experience, I've maintained over 200 client relationships while helping develop and eventually managing the company's CRM system. Organized real estate office associate with 7 years of experience maintaining effective client schedules, building policies, and office workflows. Tailor your resume to each new job position. In today's world, everything is customized. This includes your resume while applying for jobs. You should be strategic about landing your dream job and tailor your resume appropriately. If you send a generic resume, you will definitely lower the chances of getting invited to the interview. You can reuse the same bullet points for multiple positions, but always review the position requirements beforehand. Figure out what the organization is looking for, then reflect those qualifications in your resume. If you are searching for the job nearby, make sure employers know you are a local candidate by including your location at the top of your resume. And now I'd like to share with you 2 downloadable resumes which you can use while building up your own CV. Feel free to share with me what has been your resume challenge. And please subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching.